Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review over the Power Pole 10-foot blade glove or protective cover here we have for the Power Pole blade, the 10-foot. So this is just a cover that you can slide over your power pole, Velcro. It's used for when you're putting it in storage, like mine's here at the storage unit, or when you're in tow from your house to the boat ramp or wherever you're going traveling. It's just designed to protect your power pole. You know, it's an investment, and like any kind of investment, you want to protect it. And it's just a little Velcro strap down here. Basically, it just unzips, and it's going to come right off like that. It's made out of weather-resistant material, as in any power pole product, high quality, well built, easy to store, easy to clean. I've run it through the, not the dishwasher, but the laundry machine a couple times on the easy cycle. But it's just a good thing to have. This happens to be the 10-foot blade. So they make these for, I think, pretty much all the models. So just you have to do some research on what size you want and all that kind of stuff. But again, it's the Power Pole blade glove for the Power Pole blade 10-foot. Get one for your power pole. I think you'll like it. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.